Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Now, this is quite an easy thing to do, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now, once you're here in your profile, you can click on the top right corner, and then you can go ahead and scroll down where you see an option called messages and story replies. Just click on this, and then you can go ahead and click on message requests. As you can see, by default, it is set to everyone. If you don't want random people giving you message requests, you can just turn this off by clicking on no one. And again, make sure you do this for the other setting as well, just in case you have some message requests within a group. You can go ahead and see that message requests look like this. Now, you will not be receiving these once you have toggled that setting to no one. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can turn off message requests on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.